This tutorial will show you how to find dissertations and theses from LSU and other universities. To start, visit the Finding Dissertations and Theses Research Guide at guides.lib.lsu.edu/dt. The guide offers quick access to all of the search tools described in this tutorial. There are 3 ways to find theses and dissertations written by LSU graduate students. The first option is to use the LSU Online Catalog. Follow the LSU Library's online catalog link. When you reach the online catalog, choose the Advanced Search link at the top of the page. Limit the search to either dissertations or theses by selecting dissertation or thesis from the Material Type drop-down menu. Enter the search terms for your topic into the search boxes and click Search. For theses and dissertations published up to the year 2002, print copies can be found on the second floor of LSU Library. The call number for a dissertation is 378.76 L930D plus the year name. The call number for a thesis is 378.76 L930 plus the year name. The next option is to search for online versions of theses and dissertations in the LSU Thesis and Dissertation Electronic Library. Return to the Finding Dissertations and Theses Research Guide. Click on the link to the LSU Thesis and Dissertation Electronic Library. The LSU Thesis and Dissertation Electronic Library is part of the LSU Digital Commons, which is the university's institutional repository. By visiting LSU Digital Commons, you can access a collection of all of the research and scholarship of faculty, staff, and students at LSU. Note that Adobe Reader is required to access these materials. After selecting one of the graduate school collections, such as LSU Doctoral Dissertations, you can use the Jump To drop-down menu to search by year. Another option for searching for theses and dissertations from LSU graduate students is to search dissertations and theses at Louisiana State University. After returning to the Finding Dissertations and Theses Research Guide, follow the link to Dissertations and Theses at Louisiana State University. The database provides access to theses and dissertations from your institution. You can search the database using search terms related to your topic, or you can select Browse to find a list of subjects. To search for dissertations and theses from other universities in addition to LSU, return to the Research Guide and scroll down until you see Dissertations and Theses from LSU and other institutions. By selecting ProQuest Dissertations and Theses A&I, you can explore citations to 1.2 million dissertations and theses. The database includes materials from as early as 1861, with abstracts available since 1980 and thesis abstracts available since 1988. Return to the Research Guide and select ProQuest Dissertations and Theses Global. This database offers the most comprehensive collection of dissertations and theses from around the world, with full text coverage from 1743 to the present. The database also includes LSU theses dating back to 1916 and dissertations back to 1935. You can also search for dissertations and theses using open access databases. Let's return once more to the Research Guide. The guide includes 3 open access databases: the Networked Digital Library of Theses and Dissertations, Open Access Theses and Dissertations, and PQDT Open. Both the Networked Digital Library of Theses and Dissertations and Open Access Theses and Dissertations offer over 4 million electronic dissertations and theses, and PQDT Open offers dissertations and theses published as open access through ProQuest.